Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the wallpaper in main page. This is for beginner only, for new player who's got new into the game, so you can change your wallpaper. So what you need to do is click the menu, tap the menu. As you can see, there are some options here. Tap the wallpaper settings. This one, as you can see, I've got a lot of wallpaper here because I'm already 4 years playing this game, and right now I'm just returned, so I'm hiatus about 4 months. I miss out the download celebration anniversary, and some event. So right now is my first day as returning player, and this is my favorite, the original setting. I want to set this display, and my wallpaper change with my theme that I'm use right now. So feel free to try. If you have some cool wallpaper from game, please change or be default like me. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.